Hi, parents. I loved how a lot of the kids have been turning in their science work today, which was writing who's in their family, which is great. And I read all of them. Now, some of you have forgotten to actually turn it in. And I kind of want to show you just quickly how to do that. So if I go to today's work and I click on the document that we were typing in. So this is one of my students. And then you want to make sure that you turn this in. Now, there should be a turn in button on the right hand side. There it goes. And what you're going to do is you just hit the button turn in. And what that does is it just lets me know that your child turned in their work. Now, I don't know about if this happened to you, but just in case, sometimes I don't see that button. You can see that it disappeared. So you might have to actually just click on this down arrow and then you should be able to see it. And then you just hit turn in and then it'll take you back to our schedule for the day. And then that's pretty much it. Like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Thanks.